Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your environment. Make sure Git is installed and configured with your name and email so commits attribute correctly. Once done, create a project folder, add a README, MD to describe the repo, and initialize Git inside that folder. You should stage files with git add, and create the first commit using git commit m init. This establishes the local history that you will later publish. It also prevents permission and identity errors when you push. Next, create the remote repository on GitHub and choose whether you will use SSH or HTTPS. SSH avoids typing passwords but requires a key. Once the remote exists, copy the repository URL and add it locally with git remote add origin URL. After adding, verify the link with git remote v so you see fetch and push endpoints. You should also set the main branch name if needed and push the initial commit using git push u. Finally, publish and share the repository link. Push your branch with git push u origin main so GitHub hosts the code. Once pushed, open the GitHub repo page and use the clone/download or copy link controls to get a shareable HTTPS or SSH URL for collaborators. If something goes wrong, diagnose promptly. Ensure your SSH key is loaded or HTTPS credentials are correct. Confirm the remote URL and branch name, and check for network or permission errors. Fixing those resolves most link and push failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.